Welcome to our cooking class. I'm Nancy Zawicki. I'm a dietitian for Northwestern Medicine, the West Region, and we're here at Living Well today where we do cooking classes, and we're starting a new little series called Quick Bites. And we're here to show you a new recipe today. It's called mini vegetable egg quiches. So we'll just get going here. So we do promote the Mediterranean lifestyle here at Living Well, where we promote using a lot of vegetables. We emphasis on poultry, fish, whole grains, healthy fats, and low-fat dairy. So today we're making these little protein-packed egg bites that have a bunch of vegetables. So to start off, you're going to use a little saute pan, and you're going to put a little bit of olive oil right in your pan. Not much, just about a teaspoon or so. And then we're gonna, with these egg bites, you can do whatever you want. You could do red pepper, green pepper, onion. It's a recipe where you're getting ready to go to the grocery store in the next couple days and you want to use up vegetables that you have, so you can just see what you have. So I chopped up some zucchini and try to keep it pretty small pieces so that in these little egg bites, you're not getting big, huge pieces. This is cauliflower chopped up. We have some red pepper diced, and I thought we'd add some carrots too, just for color. And we let that cook a bit until it's nice and sauteed. And then I'm just using this little pan here with little individual wells. So I've already cooked up these vegetables, and there's onion in here too. And then we're gonna pour this egg mixture in. And then the spinach I do last. So I portion this into the pan, and then I do a little olive oil with the fresh spinach that I cut up in smaller pieces too. And you'll be surprised at how it shrinks up and wilts. So this was like a couple handfuls of spinach that already cooked down really small. So then I'm kind of deviating from the recipe a little bit. It called for 4 whole eggs and 4 egg whites. But I thought with these egg bites, for my family, I would make a batch and then I would freeze some individually. So I'm fine with just using the whole eggs because I didn't want to waste the yolk by not using it. So I used a little hand mixer to mix up all the eggs. It's just eggs itself, or you can whisk them. And then you're just gonna pour them into these little wells. And then I like to top it with a little cheese. I think the cheese is nice. This is the Swiss Gruyere, and we can top the shredded cheese right on top. And then I like to add a little pepper. So no salt's been added. That's part of the Mediterranean lifestyle too. We try to get away from adding salt, but by using garlic and onion, that gives food flavor. And then these are little chives that at the end I'll just top with it. So these are protein-packed little egg bites. I made a pan earlier. And then for serving, I would just top a little bit of fresh chives on it. So here's one for serving. And there you go. They're probably about 70 calories each, not very much. If you're going to make a batch, and then they are good for a week in the refrigerator. If someone is immune compromised, I would use them up in 3 days. But if you live alone and you're not going to eat that many in 3 days, you could, just put them in wrap them with plastic wrap, put them in a little freezer bag, label and date it, and put it in the freezer. And that way you can just retrieve it, microwave it, and you've got a real quick little protein snack. So they're good for breakfast, as a snack in between meals. I tried them last night and I had them for dinner, so whatever works. And we do hope that you try this recipe at home and that you have good success. And I like to make recipes my own by just incorporating what vegetables you prefer, and then you can make them from there. So we have a series of quick bites that we'll be doing. So this is the first one, and we hope that you continue to join us. So thank you so much.